right, hello there. Okay, so this is a quick one on how to set up your TradingView. All you need to do is simply go to your browser, okay, and go to tradingview.com, and you'll be brought here. This will be the first thing you're gonna see. So when you come here, TradingView, there is a paid version, but there is also, the free version. So all you just need to do is to register for the free version. So we just click the get started here, and with that you can see here you have all of this. You don't need to pay for TradingView for starters. You just need to sign up $0 forever for free. Okay, of course you're going to be seeing ads on your trading platform, but that means nothing really at the end of the day. So the reason why I'm paying for it, as a matter of fact, is simply because I run Paruto Capital, and with Paruto Capital, it's necessary, for the business, for that to be in place. But that's just it. So you can just put in your email here, put in your password, and you're good to go. And you can just simply create your account and open your TradingView. And with that, you can actually trade or you can analyze the market for free. And let me also just show you something. So just going back to the home page. So let's even just do something here, and let's say we search for a pair. Let's search for a pair and see. So markets here, let's open Nasdaq 100. We're gonna say full chart, I believe. Yeah, so with that, now you can see you already have this. So without even registering, you can even access TradingView. Yeah, so if we just go here, click on, by the way, that was fast, but you just click on this where my mouse is. Let's say Euro USD, and we can just select which one now. Let's say Forex.com or 8cap, whichever one. You select that, and you can see right here you have everything, and you can continue to do analysis. We can take this volume out since we don't use it the way I trade. So now you can do anything you want to do. You can go on to do analysis. We can take this. We've looked at supply zones, for example. This is the daily time frame. So let's look at something like the 4-hour time frame, or maybe a 15-minute time frame. Okay, so we have that there. Okay, so with this now you can draw your lines, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, you can modify your lines, you can change, reduce the opacity, you can change the color, you can do so many things. Okay, with this you can decide to even change the thickness of the lines. You can change it to dots, so you have that right there. Okay, so do whatever you feel is comfortable for you. You can also decide to change the color. So you have here the settings button. You also have here the time zone button, so you can decide to change the time zone to reflect your own time zone depending on where you live. Then you have here the regular trading hours, and you also have the extended trading hours. I usually would use the extended trading hours. There's nothing much for me to say there, but I usually would just use that. So the free version of TradingView, you'll always see ads pop up here, but it really doesn't hit anything because it's not in the middle of your chart. So you can actually just analyze for free, and just do your thing, and then you just go on, and no big deal there. So this is basically it. You have all your tools here. So usually you can set up your tools. So for example, if you know tools you're going to use often, I'll still go through this in the Trading Mastery course in detail. So let's say line, we're going to be using the line. What else I usually use? I usually don't use anything around here. The long position and the short position, we're going to be using that. And then what else? The rectangle, rectangle path. And I think that those are usually the tools I use every now and then. So for the rectangle, can easily just pick that up, and then draw a rectangle, something like that. So you can change, of course, everything about this. You can change the lines, you can change the color of what it's inside. You can reduce the opacity of the lines, and you can do so much more, right? So you just shape it to become your own tool, whatever you want. But it's also good you register so that you can also save. So here you have the save button. So if I click save, it will require that I join for free to be able to do that, right? So that way, if you join for free, you can create layouts, you can save, all the things you do in the layout. But I think with this one, if I try to refresh, for example, I'm going to lose everything. Let's see. I think I'm going to lose everything. Yes. So as expected, it's all gone. So that's why you just need to register and open for free. So if you do that, you should be able to have everything saved when you're done. Analyzing your chart, drawing whatever you need to draw, and all of that. So I think that is that for the basics. In the Trading Mastery course, we'll be going through the in-depth walk through on what you need to know about TradingView, how you can set up your watch list, how you can arrange it in such a way that it's not distracting, how you can set up alarms, and so many things. So we're going to be going through that in the Trading Mastery course. So hey, I hope this is giving you a very good head start, and I wish you all the best and see you in the Trading Mastery course when I see you. Bye bye and cheers.